close. Look at the shoulder. Chin up a little bit. Yeah. And look at this way. You're right. No.
This way.
You just look, stand straight and look at here, the shoulders.
Oh, okay. Sorry.
And chin down a little bit. This is a color transformation from a long root to, we have to bring back this tone and add more warmth to here too.
Things at Zaxby's just got sensational. Because now you can experience their signature Asian sensation flavor 3 different ways. Get that sweet, tangy, citrusy
Finishing touches, we really did this haircut already. This is more of a finishing touches.
or tossed on the famous chicken sandwich. The flavor this week deserves its own private menu. Or should I say, single. The Asian sensation line. Available
All right, turn this way. How does it feel, Lee?
That's great. And I was
Look down for me, please. Yeah. She has a hoodie here. She should not, but she couldn't take it.
not thinking about it.
And she got it overrolled, so it was kind of difficult to get dressed out. One time I had a customer, she had a whole bodysuit. She was like, man, I have to go to the restroom. I didn't think about it.
Like, I had this on where I thought, I want to be comfortable for this speaker, so I'm still on like a good roll.
So guys, look at this beautiful color. Root to and it's amazing. So just touching tips. Look down, please. Yeah. Are you okay? I know you had a root canal before you come here. Back to the window, the entrance. Tito is my doorman. What's up, Tito? It's all good. Come on back. Okay, look down for me. So here, guys, keep your head straight, please. Yeah, don't follow me. I'm just making sure we have this perfectly perfected. That way, she has a perfect balance each way. Chin up a little bit, just a little, yeah, thank you. So this way she can part her hair left to right or right to left. So you gotta make sure you really plan the haircut, not one-way street. So you can put it in the middle and look at it both sides. Looks amazing. You have to wash her hair, really. Detox her hair before we start. I must have enjoyed what I said.
don't let him post this on Facebook.
No, it's gonna be on Instagram.
No, I trust
Nobody
her.
knows you.
I trust her to not leave it on Instagram. Oh no, the thing, I hate the thinning stuff.
No, Lee, you don't understand. This has to blend. You know what that means, blend? You have an area, it's more wispy. You have an area it's flat cut. It's almost like, you know what I mean? Come to the corner and square and a curve. So you kind of blend both of them together.
Did you say corner?
Corner, you know, like corner.
Oh, I thought you said coroner.
Cool. Shake your hair for me. Super, thank you.